Hi guys, it's Lucky Charms, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my drag heel collection slash shoe collection. I'm going to start with the ones that don't fit me first that I got and need to do something with. These are the ones that I got that are two different sizes. So one of them fit me and one of them doesn't. So, and then there's these. And then there's also these. I have these cheetah print heels that I absolutely love. I found these and they're very shiny. Doesn't pick up as well on camera, but it's kind of like a disco ball. Excuse me, I think this is my first pair of heels, that's why they look kind of rough. But they're just little heels. Kind of go with anything like pink. And these are like my basic black little heels. Super nice. So these next heels I got recently to go with the Barbie jacket I have in my drag closet. You can go over to my Instagram to see that. I got these to go with that. I also have other glitter heels that are pretty beautiful and lovely. Love them. These are another one of my first kind of heels was like this. These white ones to go with any white things, and then like the black ones to go with any black clothing and or dark clothing, because if it doesn't match then I kind of have to match it to like white or black heels, which I don't mind doing because a black heel can look pretty cute in some looks and so can a white heel. Oh, I look a hot mess. But yeah, the cheetah ones, the white ones, and the pink ones were the first three heels I ever got. I can't really remember what happened after that. But, so these are a black strappy, oh, no, I'm taking these ones out first. So I got these to go with my red jacket. Just these red heels with like a little brown heel, which is kind of weird, but these I got just because they're really pretty. I don't know what I'm going to wear them with, but they like remind me of like Cinderella. Very beautiful. The final pair that I got a jacket to wear with these, and it's going to be so freaking cool. Like a little snake skin moment. These strappy heels with the snake skin moment on them. So most of my heels, like, I try to get ones that go with outfits now, as well as with, like, wigs, too. I'm looking for, like, a tan beigey one to kind of match my skin tone, but I don't know if I can really find that. Because the ones I've been finding have points, and I don't really like pointed heels too crazy. My pointiest heel would be this one, but I don't like them that go into, like, an actual point. That's just me, and I try to refrain from doing open-toed shoes as much as possible, because if I wear tights then I want to like cut the ends off and like do stuff. Well, I do have one that has like stuff on the end so I can do it, but then you have to paint your toenails and that's like a whole hassle, so most of mine are closed except for the pink and the red one. And I find this one really weird, even though it's like really pretty, that it shows like 3 toes instead of like 2. I don't know, it's weird to me that like 3 toes would be showing and like a heel at the end, like that just is weird. And it like makes them look very biscuity. I don't like it. But they really matched, and I don't know. My feet fit into them, so if you're a drag queen looking for new heels and stuff, go to the thrift store, try a couple on, see if you can complete a look, and go for I usually go for the ones that are under like $12, because I mean some of them are like not always the most impressive and aren't always gonna like make, like they're not gonna help you finish looks or like inspire you to create a new one. Then like there's no point of really getting them. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tiny little video, it's very small. There's another Lucky's Lookbook coming out, part 2, with like some seasonal stuff and some of my other looks that I've gotten recently. So if you want to see that, like subscribe, make sure you're subscribed. Watch the other Lucky's Lookbook. There's also supposed to be another video by this time. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next time. Bye.